How do two people become so connected that they are able to communicate without being in contact physically, speak to each other through telepathy, and even feel the same pains? The ability to send to and receive from each other thoughts and feelings come from a spiritual connection between the two of you. When two people are spiritually close to each other, they are often able to sense what the other is feeling or thinking. Telepathic communication consists of two directions, sending and receiving. It depends on intention, whether you have the intent to sense what the other person is thinking and feeling, or for the other person to pick up certain thoughts and feeling you are sending. It will be harder for others to sense your thoughts if you want to hide yourself from them. You physically put up a shield to prevent them from seeing your intentions. The same is also true when others do that. It takes someone of a stronger mind and greater clarity of thinking to penetrate the psychic shields of others to see what they are thinking. When two people are spiritually close, they trust each other and they have mutual empathy. Empathy is one of the key ingredients of telepathy. Telepathy, which is of the psychic level of the mind, tends to operate beyond pure words and linguistics. It takes its place in form of feelings, images, and desires. You may be able to receive telepathic communication from another person in the form of pure words, but usually it comes through a feeling, image, or desire, depending on whether the telepathic message is verbal or non-verbal. As well as your dominant mental modality, you might receive the message by instantly knowing it, hearing it from an inner voice in your mind, visualize it, or feeling it. In non-local telepathy, which is psychic communication out of sight, you might sense an emotion that another person is feeling at that time, or you might think of an image that is related to what that person is experiencing, or you could sense what that person is intending to do. All this happens without you being able to read the body language of the person. That psychic message that you get doesn't seem to be just a thought in your mind out of pure imagination, but it comes with the feeling of clarity and inner certainty, which is exactly what intuition is made up of. All things at the psychic level operates through the power of belief. In order to send or receive telepathy, you first need to have the belief that you can send and receive telepathy and that it is going to happen.